Alright folks, I just got this package and just opened it up. I had to order some new fins. I had these, I love these fins. They're really lightweight and really flexible, so they're not like those heavy fins that are really hard and heavy that most people use. So I like these because they're flexible, but went to use them a little while ago, less than a week I think, and was paddling out and felt like something was pinching my toes, so I had to paddle back in to try to straighten it out, and it had split right here. So this was like flapping, and so I ordered some new fins, and then a couple of days later I thought, well, I have this RTV that I had used to watertight some old GoPro cases, and I thought I'll give it a try. So it's been 2 days and it's actually set, and it looks like it might work. I don't know, if I do some heavy kicking and some big surf, it might come apart again, but I don't know, it might be still usable. But anyway, I just got this box in the mail and I just opened it up and to my surprise I'm like, what? What is all this? There's like stuff in here I didn't even order. So I guess these fins, you know, even though I use them for bodyboarding, boogieboarding, they're really meant for body surfing. So I guess this is a body surfing blade. I guess like you put your hand in there and that's what you use for body surfing. It's got a little leash on here so you don't lose it. But yeah, I didn't order this. I wasn't expecting that. So there's two of those, because I ordered 2 sets. And I had mentioned in the remarks that the reason I was ordering them was because I had that problem with them splitting, and the guy emailed me and he said, yeah, you know, it could be a warranty item. You know, he asked for proof of purchase and stuff like that, you know, where I bought them and stuff, and I told him, yeah, I bought them at this surf shop around the corner, Moku, but I couldn't find the receipt, and so I sent him a picture of the damage, and he's like, all right, yeah. So I had ordered 2 pair, and he said, yeah, I'll refund the price of one of the pair. So I got 1 pair for free. So here's one set. Got the orange. They didn't have that same color anymore, the black with the orange. So I got orange with yellow, and then orange with the black tips. So those. I think I actually like these better. So shoot. Might have to use these later today. Let's see what else we got. Oh, some little keychains, little flippers. So there's 1, 2 of those in orange and black, and 2 more in white and black. There's another one. And oh my god, I almost actually ordered some of these. These are head things. What do you call them? You put them over your head for when you're swimming. That would be good for keeping the sun off of my head. I almost ordered some of those, but I got them for free. So cool, man! I love these flippers. Let's see. Am I gonna have to tear those open in order? Let's see if I can set this down. I was gonna try to hold it with my mouth. Let's see the ones I like. Oh, there we go. All right. So, see, one of them's got the leash on it, but the other one doesn't. Luckily, I have leashes though. Are those stickers? Yeah. Huh, that's strange that it only has 1 leash. Luckily, I have leashes though. Almost identical to that. Let's see if I can get that. Or is that two put together? Let's see. So that one, oh! This one has the extra leash in the bottom. Oh, there it is. Okay, it just fell out. So that's 1, 2 there. And no? Only one there. So there's 1, 2 there and 1 there. Oh well. Just missing one leash. But it's all good. I got more than I thought I was getting, so awesome. Thanks, DMC fins. Love these fins. I might have to use these today because it's a beautiful day out. And the surf has been up. It's coming back down. Right there, you see some whitewash. Yeah, might have to use these today. Awesome. Thanks a lot, DMC fins. By the way, these are the Repellors. Repellor. They're really flexible. This thing here flexes and widens whenever you kick. So I love these. These are lightweight, flexible. I love them. Thanks. Alright gang, getting set up here. Go out with the new DMC fins. Getting the GoPro set up. So these are the fins that I was wearing yesterday because I had these fins here that I've had for about a year, where the other fin broke right here. And so yesterday when I went out, I wore this fin because I really like these fins. And then I wore this one, which is the typical heavy ones that everybody else wears, and ended up getting blister on my toe. Blister on my toe. This is the dopey hat that I wore yesterday to keep the sun off my head. But today I'm gonna try out the new. They sent me extra DMC fins, so I'll try that one out today to keep the sun off my head. So got the socks. Even though these are extra large, my toe gets crimped up at the end, so I cut off the end so my big toe sticks out. Anyway, I'm gonna try out these new fins today with the I'll have the matching leashes now, because the leash that I had when I bought these at the local surf shop was actually this other brand. So this time I've got leash to match the fins. So getting ready to go out. Got the old retro Mach 7 SS. Man, this thing is an antique. It's like probably over 20 years. I think I bought it in like 98 and this is 20. So yeah, this is over 20 years old, man. This is an antique. People freak out when they see it. But yeah, getting ready to go out. Try out the new fins. Oh, there's so many people on the wall. Closed businesses over there, all boarded up still from the corona. Look at all these. This is Monday, folks. This is a Monday. Everybody out of work, out of school. See, I'll check my watch here in a minute, but I think it's about 5 o'clock. So Should be high tide. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we're going to have the highest tides. That's our king tides. So the high tide will be plus about 2.4 feet. So that's about our highest high tide that we ever get. Oh my God, look at all these people on a Monday. Volleyball games going on over there. There's the moon up there.